Space, the final frontier of our dreams. NASA emerged in 1958, igniting the spirit of discovery as the U.S. answer to a global race. Striving against challenges, they dared to redefine our limits. The Apollo 11 mission brought humanity one small step, yet one giant leap, inspiring generations. Mars rovers have unlocked the secrets of a red planet, while the Hubble Space Telescope unveiled breathtaking wonders of distant galaxies. Today, the Artemis program beckons us back to the moon, promising new horizons and infinite possibilities. Through innovation and perseverance, NASA continues its legacy of exploration, igniting hope and empowering dreamers around the world. Join the journey, embrace our future, and witness the power of human curiosity. Together, we celebrate NASA's past triumphs and propel our dreams into the infinite cosmos. Keep exploring,